How to get a cheap divorce in Contra Costa without sacrificing quality. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're filing for divorce in Contra Costa County and want to avoid high attorney fees, you're not alone. The good news? You can get an affordable divorce without sacrificing quality if you avoid the common traps. A lot of people turn to cheap online form sites, but those often lead to rejected paperwork, delays, and zero real support. In Contra Costa, the court is strict. One wrong form or missing disclosure can set your case back months. We recently helped a couple whose paperwork had been rejected twice after using a low-cost site. We fixed their documents and had their judgment approved in just a few weeks, all for a flat fee and no court appearances. At Divorce661, we offer affordable, flat-fee divorce services for amicable couples. We handle everything from start to finish and file through Contra Costa's eFile system to keep your case moving. If you want a low-cost divorce that's done right the first time, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll save you time, money, and frustration.